In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove or ungroup a frame in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to ungroup layers or frames and remove a frame while keeping all the content in place on your canvas. First, let's ungroup layers. Start by selecting the grouped layers or the frame you want to ungroup. Click it directly on the canvas or click its name in the Layers panel on the left so you know you have the correct selection. Now, ungroup it. Press Shift plus Control plus G on Windows, or Shift plus Command plus G on Mac. If you prefer the mouse, right-click the selection and choose Ungroup. As soon as you do this, the group wrapper is removed. You'll see the items inside become separate layers again, each one independent and editable. At this point, you can click through the individual layers to confirm they're no longer inside a group. You can move them, rename them, or adjust them one by one without affecting the others. That completes ungrouping. Next, let's remove a frame while keeping its content. Select the frame you want to remove. Click the frame boundary on the canvas, or select the frame in the Layers panel so the entire frame is highlighted, not just an item inside it. With the frame selected, right-click and choose Remove Frame. If you prefer the shortcut, press Shift plus Control plus G on Windows or Shift plus Command plus G on Mac. This removes only the frame container. All of the content that was inside the frame stays on the canvas exactly where it was. The frame itself is gone, but every layer, image, and text object remains in place and editable. This is safe to do if you just need to get rid of the frame wrapper without deleting anything inside. If you were using the frame to manage layout, just be aware that removing it means the content is no longer inside that specific frame container, but your layers remain intact. If you need to double-check, you look in the Layers panel. You'll see the frame name disappear, and the items that were inside it are now listed at the next level up. On the canvas, you can click and drag an item to verify it moves independently, confirming the frame has been removed successfully. To recap the actions you've completed on screen, you selected a grouped set of layers or a frame, then used Shift plus Control or Command plus G or the right-click menu to ungroup, making each layer independent. Then you selected a frame, used Remove Frame or the same shortcut, and kept all the content on the canvas while deleting only the frame container. Your file is now updated with ungrouped layers and frames removed where needed, and all content remains editable and in place. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.